Chinese freighter on fire, 11 crew rescued. MRCC Lianyungang was alerted at 0645 Beijing time Jan 31 by distress call from cargo ship XIN HUA SHENG some 100 nanometers east of Dafeng, Jiangsu province, China, Yellow Sea. The ship with 11 crew on board reported fire and engine room spreading to superstructure, requested evacuation. By 0957, all 11 crew were airlifted to safety by rescue helicopters. A tug was sent to smoldering XIN HUA SHENG, to assess situation and probably salvage freighter. Cargo ship XIN HUA SHENG, MMSI 413,505,980, DWT 4495, flag China.